Hello, dear embroidery lovers. Today I will show you how to embroider a grid with a large pull-out of fabric threads. The size of the pulled-out cell is 1 cm, and 0.5 cm of fabric is left. If in the previous embroidery the pattern was repeated from cell to cell, then here the pattern is embroidered according to the scheme. And the grid is pre-sewn with a zigzag. And the empty cells are filled with various figures. I wish you much success in embroidery. And see you soon.
just wanna feel your love. I just wanna know how you feel, baby. I just wanna go where your love take me. I'm losing my sanity, you taking me under. For you I surrender, you're making me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under. Boy, you got me fond of. Yeah, boy, you got me in love. I can't ignore it. I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me. Let me live. Let me live again. I'll take no more from you. You got my soul. Oh, you let me fly. You let me go. Oh, now you're gonna see it. Gonna see it clearly. You go out on the weekend. You want me, then you leave me. Take you on the ride of your life. Don't ever stop. Give me your touch. Give me your love. Give it some more. I'm losing my sanity. You taking me under. For you I surrender. You're making me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under. Boy, you got me fond of. Yeah, boy, you got me in love. I can't ignore it. I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me. Let me live again.